Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, every day at the time of sunrise, the day makes an alarming announcement. Yes, it is mentioned in Shu'abul Iman that Sayyidina Imam Bayhaqi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi narrates that the final Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, the day makes the announcement daily at the time of sunrise. What's that announcement? It is, if you want to perform any good deed today, then do it, because I will never return. Dear viewers, time is a great blessing of Allah Almighty. This is an undeniable fact that time once lost never comes back. So, it is necessary for all of us to realize the importance of our time. Squandering the precious moments of our life in evils or in useless activities is a big loss, because the final Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, the people of paradise will not regret anything of the world except the moment they spend without the remembrance of Allah Almighty. So dear viewers, just think how we spend our time. Would our time be beneficial for us in the hereafter, or just a cause of regret? Therefore, we should make the most of our time and do as many good deeds as possible. Offer salah, observe fast, pay zakah, perform hajj, recite the Holy Quran, send salawat upon the final Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, give charity, serve your parents, help the poor, attain Islamic knowledge, read good books, educate your children, avoid evils, and perform as many good deeds as possible. My dear brothers and sisters, this is what makes our time golden.